Every marriage hits rough waters. Here are 3 common triggers and Gottman-based shortcuts to calm the storm. First, harsh startups and criticism. Fights ignite when blame phrases like, "You never fly." Use a gentle startup instead. "I feel overwhelmed when dishes pile up. Could we tackle them together after dinner?" Second, flooding, defensiveness, and stonewalling. When emotions surge, one partner shuts down or strikes back. Agree on a self-soothing break. Say, pause, step away for 20 minutes to slow the heartbeat, then return to talk with clearer minds. Third, eroded friendship and missed bids for connection. Daily stress crowds out small moments, breeding resentment. Rebuild love maps and fondness with a 10-minute evening check-in. One sincere appreciation each day, and turning toward every bid for attention. Start gentle, soothe often, nurture friendship, and watch your marriage thrive.